Hi guys, it's Tony. Today I'm showing you how to easily make peeled tomatoes into chopped tomatoes. This was bought from Aldi. It was 28p, and as you know, chopped tomatoes are just more expensive. But I'm going to show you what this is like. Actually, this is like the basic brand of Aldi from the Aldi stores. So we'll put it in there. I'm actually making a Caribbean curry today. So you see, you get a decent amount in there. Sauce tastes good. Where's it from then? There you go, guys. Let it go in. Yeah. Let it go. There you go. From Aldi. All right. So we just get a hand blender. This one is from Tesco. Okay, made in China. It's just a normal hand blender that you get for £10. Don't be banging like that. You'll see it foam up a bit, but don't worry about that. That's it, guys. Simple as that. It's just done. Seconds, and then just give whatever you do, don't be tempted to split that like that, because I did it once. It went all over the kitchen. And that's it, guys. Easy peasy. All you gotta do now is just release. How the hell you get this off? I don't know. I shall find that. I think it's just rinse under the sink job. That. Yeah, that's it, guys. Simple as that. And that is easy peasy chopped tomatoes. Saving you money. Thanks for watching. I'm going to put, and I'll catch you in the next one.